One, we have Lady Gagita and Haronse, their YouTube sensations, 1.2 million
viewers
on hits, right? On one of their videos, telephone, but if you had a type out of the three of us, sino mas type mo sa aming tatlo?
Yung nagsasalita ngayon.
Si DJ Tony. Bakit? Ano?
Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na kayong dalawa lang nasa isang kwarto, meron kang 10 seconds para gawin ang kahit anong gusto mong gawin. Haronse, kay DJ Tony. Anong unang gagawin mo?
10 seconds lang.
10 seconds.
10 seconds lang. Ano
Actually, kailangan lang 5 seconds eh. Sa totoo lang.
Ay, ganun.
Anong gagawin mo kay DJ Six?
Maglurosaryo.
Hindi, wala akong gagawin. Matitigan na.
Magtititigan na kayo.
Ano? Wala. Ba't ba ganun?
Hindi, wala lang. Hindi, we were just asking.
Pero love ko kayong tatlo.
Biglang bawi.
Drama.
Binawi agad.
Okay, so let's get to the latter part. So you discovered you're gay and everything, and then you guys have known each other since 7 years old? 7 years old? Tapos, kailan nyo na-decide na parang one day, alright, wala tayong magawa. Gawa tayo ng music video.
Fourth year.
Fourth year high school.
When I was fourth year high school.
And
ano to? On a Saturday? Summer day? Anong...
Nagawa ko siya if wala si mama, wala si papa.
Pag nagsusugal yung mama niya.
Oo, tapos, ano ka ba? Binubulgar mo naman.
Hindi sinasabi ko. Tapos, nagpakatotoo lang, te.
Ayun na nangyayari sa mga mami na nagsusugal, ha?
Nagiging bading yung mga anak nyo.
Ano nangyayari sa mga anak nyo?
Pagbalik nyo sa bahay, bading na.
Okay, so isang araw nagsusugal si mami.
Tapos pag may laban si Pacquiao.
Sinasadya talaga.
Sinasadya namin kasi pag may laban si Pacquiao,
walang tao.
Yung mga tao wala. Tapos yun, nagbibig na kami. And then pag may mga tao, tumatakbo.
Kaninong yung wig?
Yeah, how do you get the wig? Sabi mo, mahirap kayo. Pero
saan galing yung wig?
Mahal yan.
Yung mga wigs po, nagtitinda po kami ng glutasayo, nagluluto ng yema. Tapos pag yung kita po namin, binibili po namin ng wigs, mga costumes.
Sipag nyo, ha? Para lang sa wig.
Opo.
Yema.
How about for your costumes?
Our costumes
mga
is kung ano po yung nasa paligid namin, yun lang po yun. Tapos ini-improvise na namin, tinatayo namin.
For example, may nakita kaming diaper yun. Ginagawang palaman sa boobs.
So what was
Char lang.
What was your very first video?
Yeah.
It's Lady Marmalade.
Yeah. Lady Marmalade. And then did you play all the characters in there?
Yes. Pero yun yung video na hindi pa siya tanggap ni Papa. Actually tinago ko pa siya. Tinago ko pa siya sa MP4 ko. Tapos hindi ko pa siya linabas sa YouTube. Pinapakita ko lang siya sa mga mga classmates ko, mga friends ko.
Ano sabi nila when they first saw na pinapakita mo tong Lady Marmalade mo? You saw it to your friends. Ano sinasabi nila?
Actually,
sister,
they were amazed because daw yung editing, kung paano ko ginawa yon. Tapos syempre sinasabi nila na ano ba yan Vinson, anong ginagawa mo, nakakahiya ka, mukha kang kabayo, mga ganon. Pero carry lang.
Pero who edits your videos?
And who shoots?
Actually ako din.
You do everything.
Ikaw nag-shoot?
Apo, ako din po.
How do you get the timing of the song?
Yeah, how do you pick it up? I mean,
pag nag-shoot po kami, piniplay ko po yung song.
Oh my God.
Then, pagkatapos i-play, takbo sa baba, then shoot. Ganun po yun.
Ganun.
So you are the cameraman, you edit, and you shoot the video, you direct, you do everything.
Actually, I was also the makeup artist.
Yeah.
Opo.
So, how long?
One-man team, ha?
Plus the talent.
Oh, so how long does it take you to become Lady Gagita and Haronse?
Noon po, mga 20 minutes, scary na. Pero ngayon po, medyo mga 1 hour.
1 hour.
Kasi marami ng chorba sa mukha.
I want to know, we'll play one song, get back to you guys, but we want to know, how much money have you made? Is there money to be made so far from the YouTube video? Don't answer.
Malalaman natin yan. Tsaka ano na ba status ngayon? How big has it got? You guys moved from Davao, am I right? All the way here to Manila?
Yes.
And you're seen on TV. You're all over the place. Yeah, is it making money? What's happening right now? We're going to find out the answer to that in a very short bit. The boys are out tonight. My name is Sam YG.
My name is Slick Rick.
Tony with Haronse and Lady Gagita, the YouTube sensations. Right here on Today's Best Music.
Magic 89.9.
Today's Best Music. Magic.
All right, 8:53. Welcome back to the program, and we're live via Channel V as well. Well, not live, but
We're taped.
taped.
Taped is live.
Channel V.
Tape
Don't forget
is
to catch the show, by the way, Boys Night Out on Channel V Tuesdays, Thursdays, 10 p.m.
Saturdays and Sundays, you can catch it, I know, 1:30 a.m. And sometimes I catch it myself. But if you guys just joined us, we got Lady Gagita and we have Joronce on the show.
And now we're back.
Yeah, the YouTube sensations.
We asked you guys, is there money to be made, or have you guys made any money? Obviously, moving from Davao to Manila.
And people know that you got 1.2 million hits on YouTube. So, yeah, from there, how did it go?
Regarding to sa cyberspace, we're not monetizing yet pa.
Wala pang
And
pera.
then, pero nagkakapera din naman kami rito sa Maynila through guestings and yung mga performance namin.
So if I want to get you, organizer ako ng event, magkano ba ang mga TF nyo? Roughly? Malaki? Mga million na?
Billion ba yan?
Over na over.
Pero kaya pa rin.
Kaya pa rin.
Kaya.
Kasi kasi yung usual talaga niya binibigay sa amin.
50.
Ano 50? Ano ka ba? Nagbibiro ka.
Si Joronce, parang si Joronce, may sideline na.
Parang may biyaheng langit ka rin. Sa langit na biyahe ni Joronce.
Nung nasa Davao pa kami, sumasali kami sa mga
Talent
comedy.
show. Comedy show.
Shows.
Alright.
Tinatanong muna yung talent fee natin, ha?
Sorry.
Sige. Ayan, yung 3,000 yung usually binibigay, pero may iba din na tumatawad, na naging 2,000, naging 1,000, mga ganun.
Pero how many is that? Is that just one song or two songs?
One song lang po.
One song.
Okay na.
Pwede na.
So if we get you for 3 gigs, 3 songs, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay na yun. To 2,000 each. So 3,000 per song, ikaw 3,000 per song.
May manager
Pero,
ba to or do you guys handle your own shows?
We do have our own manager na po.
May manager kayo?
Wow.
Okay.
Buti pa kayo, kami wala.
Kami wala pa kami manager hanggang ngayon.
Because no one trusts us.
Yeah. Who's your manager?
Yeah.
Our manager is si
Emmanuel.
Direct Emmanuel de la Cruz.
Okay.
He's a director of Sarong Bangi and one of the producers of Ang Pagdadalaga ni Maximo Oliveros.
Oliveros. Okay.
Now, if people they want to contact you, do you have a website, Facebook that they can message you guys?
For updates of Lady Gagita and Joronce, just log on to www.ladygagita.com or just visit our Facebook fan page, Lady Gagita and Joronce. Actually, madaming mga ibang gumagawa ng fan page. But yung talaga, yung original is yung may 20,000 na fans, tsaka yung sa kanya.
Nakakahiya. Pero sabihin talaga.
Sabihin mo na, Te.
Okay, ba't ko kakahiya? 900 lang naman yun.
900.
900 is 900, man.
Itataas natin yan papadami natin yan.
Ito, we have JB Alvar and Bea C who are big fans of you guys. They're actually making inuman right now, listening to the show. They can't believe you're on Boys Night Out. Ses and our friends from Ayala are actually listening to the show. And they're actually also fans.
Tanong ko.
Wow.
Well, it's openly that both of you are gay. Has there been a time na have you fought over one guy? Siyempre, you both have
Ano ba sasabihin ko ba to, Te?
May pogi.
Ako kasi,
Diba? Well, not fought, but you guys had a misunderstanding.
Pareho
Na,
kayo may type, diba? Iwasan.
Actually, walang mga misunderstanding na pero may rivalry talaga. May rivalry na nangyayari na